And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
Miss Pickles Gaming. Yeah, it's a big deal.
Hey, Mark with MPG. All right, so this video is how and where to get the Meteoric Sorcery. And as you can see on the map, once you've made it through the Caria Manor, go around the outside, the back side and to the right, you'll find this Evergaol. So go ahead and enter it, and we are going to defeat the boss inside and get our sorcery. All right. So the question is, what weapon do we want to use? Always a good choice, a meteoric ore. So now that we got him staggered, it's pretty much a no-brainer. Okay, we get our sorcery, and that's it. We'll catch you on the next one.
Hey, where are you going? You watched the video and obviously enjoyed it, so you need to go back and click the subscribe button. I mean, come on now. You were raised better than this. You know, it doesn't cost anything. You know, why wouldn't you?
And that's how she wrote.